Hello, and thank you for visiting this tutorial. The intention of this tutorial is to give you a general overview on how to use a dowsing pendulum, and specifically how to use those dowsing pendulums that come with the Radionic Pendulum Kits that you're considering. So, in front of me is all the contents of the Radionic Pendulum Kits, which are three radionic images, one for abundance, one for healing, and one for manifestation. We have three pendulum charts, basic yes-no chart, and chakra chart, and an alphanumeric pendulum, alphanumeric chart, a amplifying radionic image, and a prosperity radionic image. Copper plate, used as a witness plate. That's where you place your target. And a pendulum. The kits come with quite a bit variety in pendulums. This happens to be the mermaid pendulum, one of my favorites. It's a witness pendulum which you can open, place inside water, or hair on a target fingernail, or in this case I have quartz crystals that have been charged or are being charged for the specific intent of healing. So each time I use this pendulum with these crystals, I'm projecting into it my intent to bring healing and balance to the particular target I'm working with. So let's use a chart to give you an idea what it looks like in real life. I'm going to use a full-size version of this chart just so it's easier to pick up on a camera. Okay, we have yes, no, maybe, and rephrase the question. I think you can hear my assistant in the background. Let me pause.